So we have an image-based question here, and the question is, which anomaly is seen in the following clinical condition? We have an image of a child. So there is the central incisor and the lateral incisor is merged with the canine on both the sides, and then there is D and E. Now these are primary teeth. Okay. If you look at the image clearly, central incisor is there, and lateral incisor and canine are combined together. There is no additional tooth present. Okay, there are the number of teeth here. You can see that 1, 2, 3 are in the same order, and there is no additional tooth as a separate entity. So it cannot be supernumerary teeth. Now let's talk of fusion and gemination. When you talk of fusion, two teeth are physically combined with each other and they look like two units fused together. In gemination, however, one single tooth splits into two entities which are merged together. So, if it was central incisor and two lobules of lateral incisor and then canine, then this is gemination. But here it is central incisor and lateral incisor and canine, so this is fusion. Concrescence, on the other hand, is on the root of teeth. Okay, so it is a union of two adjacent roots by cementum, not on the crown. The definition of fusion is physical joining of two teeth germs to create a single tooth, just like this. Okay, single enlarged tooth in which the tooth count reveals missing tooth. So if you look at the tooth count, technically one is less because the canine has merged with the lateral incisor. Gemination is the creation of two fused teeth from single tooth germ, giving a single enlarged tooth in which the tooth count is normal. So here is an image. I hope this makes things easier to understand. First image is of gemination. You see this premolar has split into 1 and 2. The second premolar is as it is present. If you look at the second image, double tooth in place of mandibular right, lateral incisor and cuspid. Same kind of a situation where lateral and cuspid are fused together. This is a premolar and this is a central incisor. So technically one tooth is missing because the canine has fused with the lateral incisor. So the correct answer of this image is dental fusion, option 1.